Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to start by locating clock icon and tapping on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner and choose this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour. When you're ready, click on OK and tap on days of the week that you want to set up. After that, tap on Add Label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then click on OK. Now you can enable or disable vibration by tapping on this little icon and add your alarm to Google Assistant routine by clicking on that one. After that, select default and tap on the best melody for you, like Airy Twilight. You can also tap on silent to disable sound completely or choose add new. From here, you need to click on those three lines at the top left corner, select one of those sources, like audio, and tap on the song that you wish to set up, in my case that one. Now go back, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can enable it the same way. In order to delete it, click on this icon, tap on delete at the bottom left corner, and now it's gone. In order to adjust more alarm settings, just tap on those three dots at the top right corner, choose settings, and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!